Hello, hello, good morning, grade 2. How are you doing, everyone? Hope you are doing fine and well. So here I'm recording this video just to give you like something to refer to if you want to study later or if you want to revise how to write the letter A. So let's start by telling the day of today. Today is Wednesday, Wednesday, Wednesday. One more time, Wednesday, Wednesday. Very good. Well done. And regarding the day of today, today is 15th of September 2021. Today is 15th of September 2021. Now let's underline the day, like this is a line under the day and another line under the date. So line under the date and line under the day. What we will be talking about today or studying about today, it's the letter A, capital and small. Let's write it here, A capital and A small. We can make it bigger. Let's make it a bit bigger, okay, like this. So this is capital A and small a. Now we do have two main examples for the letter A, and we talked about them today in the class. Do you remember? So one of them was the apple. We talked about the apple and we said the apple is a very healthy fruit, makes you stronger and makes you bigger, right? We should make sure to eat apple as much as possible. Maybe once a day, one apple a day, that would be great. Even once in 2 days, that would be great as well, but we should eat fruits daily. Make sure to eat fruits daily. Banana, apple, orange, strawberry, watermelon, pineapple, whatever is your favorite. But here we're talking about the letter A, and we want something that starts with A, same like apple, apple. So let's draw the apple together. Now this is the body of the apple over here, and it's in red color. Let's draw the stem and the leaf of the apple like this. So this is our apple. Maybe we can color it red. So the color of the apple is red. Now, honestly, it's not only red. You can also find green apples. Have you ever seen a green apples before? So apples can be green, can be yellow, can be red. So three main colors for the apples. And our favorite is the red apple. I also like the green apples. Very crispy and tasty. So here we are coloring our apple red color. And here we go. We can use the green color for the leaf. Let's color it green and we are done. Now we are going to find or trying to guess what other words starts with A. So we said apple, apple starts with A. What other words starts with A? Ant, right? Ant. Do you know what is the ant? Let's draw ant together. So mainly they're black or dark brown. So this is the body of the ant. Let's draw the head of the ant. Let's assume this is the head of the ant. Hopefully it's good. And if you remember today, we were talking about ants and I show you a real picture. So in the real picture, we counted the legs of the ant. There were 6. So let's draw them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 limbs for the ant. And here, let's continue drawing the head of the ant. As we said, ants can bite, and the bite stings a little bit, but we should be okay with that. It's not that dangerous. We can draw the eyes as well. Since it's brown, we can give it a white eye. It's easier for us to notice and see. So here, let's draw another eye. Okay, I think it's good. Now we can use black color just to detail the eye, and maybe we can also draw a mouth for our ant. Here, let's draw a smiley mouth. Let's make it a happy ant. So this is our happy ant, and this is our healthy apple. both of them starts with A. A. So the sound of the A is A. A, A, A. A, A, A. A as in apple. A, P-P-L-E. A-double-B-L-E is apple, the spelling of apple. This is how we write apple. So apple starts with A. A, apple. A, apple. Same for ant. Ant starts with A and T, and the first letter, as you can see, it's A. And the sound of the A is ant. A, ant. Here, let me highlight the A in apple, A, and ant as well. Here we got the A in ant. So the first letter is A, and the sound of this letter is A. Apple, A, ant. A, apple, A, ant. Is it clear? Hopefully it is. So that's it for the examples. Now this is the letter A, and the examples apple and ant. Now let's clear everything on the board and try to write the letters A, capital and small. So we'll start by preparing the lines. We can use the blue color to create two parallel blue lines. So this is the first line. This is the second line. And let's do it one more time down below so we can practice writing the small A. So this is the blue line, the first one, and this is the second one. How many lines do we have here? It's 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 lines, right? 4 lines because we'll be using 2 for capital A and 2 for small a. We will be also adding a red line for reference. So this is the red line. Some of your English notebook will, like, you can see the same lining in your notebook. It depends. If you can find a notebook with the same lining, that would be great. If you couldn't, it's totally fine. So here, let's write capital A. This is the capital A. We will learn how to write the capital A. And down below, we will try to write the small a, like this, okay? How do we write them in our notebook? Now, when it comes to capital A, make sure it's very important to keep in mind that you start from the first red line. You start from the top, from the red line at the top, and then you go down, creating this line. Then you go from the same starting point and draw another line like this. So this is number 1, this is number 2, and number 3, you cross the shape with another line, a third line, and here you got the capital A. This is your capital A. So this is number 1, you draw a line down. Number 2, draw another line down, and from the middle, you can attach both lines or cross both lines with a third one. So this is how you write the A. Now let's use different colors. Follow me with the step number 1. Look carefully. I'm starting from here, starting from the red line. I'm going down. Let me take the sticks. Okay, like this. So starting from the top, going down. This is step number 1. Step number 1. Okay. Now let me just choose a thinner pen. Okay, this is step number 1. Step number 2, we can choose, what color should I pick? Let's choose pink. So this is step number 2. I'm trying to choose the color pink, so hopefully it's clearer for you. This is step number 2. Another line from the starting point, the same starting point we use at the beginning. And here we write this is number 2, step number 2. And then we will write step number 3. For step number 3, we can use orange color. What do you think? Should I pick orange color? So here we go. We got the orange color to cross between the 2 lines. So orange color for step number 3. As we said, step number 3 is to cross between the 2 lines. And here we write number 3 because this is the third step. This is step number 3. Now then again, we will try to write the A using our regular pen or pencil. Starting from the top, from the red line, you go down. Don't stop here. Don't stop here. Never stop here. You go down to the bottom line, and again from the top to the bottom line, and from the middle you cross the lines with a third one. Now this is your A. If you write the A like this, we don't accept it. This is not nice. Very small, and you started from the like below the middle line. Only the small letters we should write them between the blue lines. Okay, so this is wrong. This is not correct. We don't like it. We like this one. This is a good example of how to write the capital A. Now let's write the capital A one last time. Again, you start from the top, you go down. Again, one more time from the top, draw another line like this. And from the middle, you cross the lines with a third one. And here you got your A. So this is your capital A. Now talking about the small a, small letter A, what do we do, or how do we write the small letter A? You make sure to write between the blue lines. Stay here between the blue lines. If you go outside, if you go up, it's wrong. If you go down, it's wrong. Keep yourself between the blue lines. So how do we write the A? You start by drawing a semicircle like this. Sorry, let me take the pen, and here we go. So you start by drawing a semicircle like this. It's almost a circle. Then you go up and you go down again. This is your A. It's not really nice. Let's do it one more time. Again, let me change the pen and try one more time. So you draw a semicircle like this. You go up and then you go down again. So this is your small A. If you did it like this, we don't like it. It's not nice. Look at it, how it looks like. A bit messy, right? So we don't want this one. We want something to be between the blue lines. Try to keep it between the blue lines. One more time, let's try and write the A. So how do you write the A? You start by drawing a semicircle between the blue lines, then you go up and go down. If we use the color to explain or to tell the steps, we can use the orange color to draw the semicircle. So this is the semicircle, like this, right? It's almost like a C. And then we can use the green color to go down. So here we go up, and then you go down again. This is how you write your little A, your small A. I didn't really like how it looks like. Let me do it one more time with the black color. So again, this is how you write the small A. You go up and then you go down again. One last time, let's write the A. This is a semicircle. You go up and then you go down again. So this is how we write capital and small A. Also, we learned that A is a letter that sounds like a, 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 a. An example of that, apples, apples, a, apple, a, ant. Okay, so that's it for today. Thanks for watching and have a wonderful day. Take care and see you in the next class. Bye-bye.